How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy Red Lines Limit here. Today, I'm actually not just going to be sitting here and talking the whole video. I'm going to show you guys clips, and we're going to unbox something new that came from the Mustang. But the Mustang has been gone for 2 weeks. It is back. Yesterday, I got my keys back from getting. The reason why I got my keys back and my car was taken away from 2 weeks was because my parents took it away. And that was because they caught my girlfriend and I doing donuts. A neighbor, or not a neighbor, just a lady that knows my mom saw us doing it. And we were actually in a place that a lot of people go to, like a lot of, not like people, but like car people speed around and go to. And, you know, I've never really seen anyone of my mom's friends or anybody really there. So I was honestly kind of shocked that she saw us there. But car's back. The car was completely dead. Though when I tried to start it up, let me show you a clip. So battery's fucking dead. I mean, nothing. Nope. Doors aren't even locked. It's a whole. It's fucking awesome, dude. It's great. So my luck has been so awful lately, but that's what's going on. That's one reason why this video was uploaded late as hell. Yeah, it was dead, totally dead. But it started up. It's running. My girlfriend did have to drive it because I was already late for work for me. But thank you, baby, for doing that. But also, the AAA guy was really funny. He was cool. He thought my car was supercharged, which I thought was hilarious because it's obviously not naturally it obviously looks naturally aspirated. But I still thought that was really funny. But let's get into let me show you guys what I just got. Well, I've had it in here for a couple of days, but I'm waiting to film. But let me show you what we have. We are almost ready. We are literally the final pieces of the puzzle for my Pypes long tube headers and full Pypes exhaust came, and we are ready to install it. Let me show you what we got. We have the Ford OEM header gaskets. My boy told me to use these instead of the header gaskets that Pypes provided. And I'm going to take his word for it. We're going to use the Ford OEM. And actually, a lot of people suggest you use the Ford OEM header gaskets instead of the ones that they provide you. So we're using the Ford OEM header gaskets, you know, to prevent exhaust leaks. And now we're going to, I'm going to show you guys what the last piece of the puzzle was for our full Pypes exhaust. So the last thing that we needed is, this is the Pypes over Axel pipe. This is basically, but from Pypes, it's basically a catback, and it's gonna go all the way back. It's gonna go all the way back to my Off-Road X pipe, and Off-Road X pipe into my Pypes long tube headers, and from here will be my Pypes muffler deletes. So full Pypes exhaust, and we are also going to get Pypes electric cutouts. Full Pypes exhaust. It's going to be super sick, and we're really ready. We're ready to install everything. My friend and I just got to figure out a date on when we're all ready, when both of us can do it. I might select a weekend off work for us to do it, and we're going to do the long tube headers first. Just the long tube headers. We're going to run with open headers for a week, and then we're going to run with the full Pypes exhaust. I did post on my Instagram. I did show you guys that I ordered something from American Muscle. It's something that you guys have requested in the past, and it's somebody in the comments said a couple times that I need to add this, so I decided to get it. Hopefully this looks good with the Mustang, but if not, I will just get a different, another different look of the thing that I'm getting for the build. But if I don't like it, I'm probably gonna buy another set of a different kind of whatever I'm getting and probably give it to you guys, one of my awesome subscribers. I am giving my old X pipe to one of my subscribers, by the way. So if I ever have any old parts and you guys want any of my old parts or need anything, just hit me up and I will hook you up. but we have something very fun coming for you guys. Also, announcement, we are either going to wide body my Mustang, or we're going to do a body kit. Actually, we're not going to do a body kit, but we're either going to wide body or leave it how it is. Really thinking about wide bodying because I want this car to be set apart from all the others. So we might wide body. Not still thinking about it, but we might wide body. And also, please comment below if we should pro charge or supercharge my Mustang. Just comment below which one you guys would prefer to see: a pro charged, a Vortex Stage 2 pro charged Mustang, or a supercharged, or a Kenny Bell, or Whipple supercharged 3-valve. Let me know in the comments, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please leave a like. Please leave a like. And if you're new, please, pretty please, with a supercharger in the engine bay, subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Can't wait to show you guys what I got for the next video. Stay tuned. Peace out.